Hello，好久不见，大家好，我是 Zoe. Welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since my last video. Sorry about that. I've been up to something else in the last couple of weeks, but don't worry, I didn't forget about my channel. So today's topic is about the character 就. 就 is a very common character. However, it's also a very complicated character. It can be used as a verb. When it's used as a verb, we mostly will put it into some phrases or it goes with some specific words. Once you learn those words, it's not too hard to get how to use it. The most complicated part about this word is when we use it as adverb. So today's video is mainly focused on how to use this word as adverb under 4 different circumstances. First circumstance, we can use 就 to shorten people's time perception. I know it sounds very obscure. I will explain this little by little. Now, firstly, 就 contains the meaning of shortly, soon. Let's take a look at some instances. 就好了，就好了。好 means good. 好了 we mostly use it to express done, something done, something 好了，就好了 it means almost done, almost done, or I will be done shortly. My friend is calling me, hey Zoe, can you give me a hand? And then I answered with 就来了. 就来了 means I am coming. So 就 doesn't have to be a real time adverb, but it definitely will give people a feeling about something will happen soon. The feeling is a time perception. So next, I will explain how we use it to shorten people's time perception. Shorten people's time perception, put it simple, is to make people feel something will happen sooner than they expect or than they think. The structure will be time or time adverb plus 就. For examples, I want you to talk to Jack now. Okay, 我马上去。我马上去。马上 means right now, right away, at once, in no time. I will go right now. Now, if I add 就, I say 我马上就去。I use 就 to enhance the word 马上, to shorten my listeners' time perception about how soon I will go to do this thing. So next example. When I asked who touched my computer, 他立刻说不是我。他立刻说，立刻 has the same meaning with 马上. They're the same, but just 马上 is more oral. 他立刻说 he said at once. Now if I add 就他立刻就说 I try to shorten people's time perception about how quick he reacted, how soon he reacted. Keep going on. I heard you are going to Los Angeles. When are you leaving? 我明天就走。我明天就走。It means I will leave tomorrow, but I use 就 to enhance the time 明天. I actually shorten the listener's time perception. It's sooner than you think, right? I'm leaving tomorrow. It's also because I think tomorrow it must be sooner than you think. So I say 我明天就走. Now if I answer with 我下周走. 我下周走. I will leave next week. And then the person reacted like 下周就走吗？下周就走吗？ So the person used 就 to enhance the time 下周. It's because the 下周 is way too soon, sooner than he expected, and also I can feel it sooner than he expected. It's the same thing with the next month or next year. It doesn't matter when, as long as you try to make people feel something happened sooner than they expected. And then you can use 就. So in past tense or past perfect tense, it's the same thing. Make people feel something already happened sooner than they expected or than they thought. For instances, oh, you've been in Shanghai already. I thought you were coming tomorrow. 我昨天就到了。我昨天就到了。It means I already arrived yesterday. I arrived yesterday sooner than you thought. Hey guys, do you know our manager actually got married? 我们早就知道了。我们早就知道了。早 means early. We know it earlier than you thought. 就 is used to enhance the word 早 and also shorten people's time perception. So this is how we use it to shorten people's time perception. Now, second circumstance, 就 plus verb. We can use 就 to enhance the verb. Your witness and the police show you a picture and asked, is this the criminal? 是他。就是他。是他 means it's him. Now, 就是他。就 is used to enhance 是 to make yourself sound more assured. Yes, I'm 100% sure it's him. 是他。就是他。Jack 说他不来了。Jack said he's not coming. 我就知道。我就知道。It means I know it. I know it. Now, why I use 就 to enhance the word 知道 is because I got my attitude. I told you. I know him for a long time. I know him very well. I know he's not coming. I told you. See? 我就知道。你为什么不喜欢这个？ The color, the style, everything is good. Why didn't you like it? 我就不喜欢。我就不喜欢。No reason. I just don't like it. 我就不喜欢。So 就 is used to enhance 不喜欢。Third circumstance, 就 can be used to express only or just. So who will come with you tomorrow? 就我自己。就我自己。自己 means self. So just myself. Only myself. 我弟弟就知道吃。我弟弟就知道吃。My younger brother only know about eating. So the only thing my younger brother cares about is eating. Jack is looking for a new job, but 他就会开车。He only can drive. 会 do something means can do something. 会 is about skills that we obtain through learning. 你什么时候见过他？ You what time saw him? 就昨天。就昨天。Just yesterday. 你怎么知道是他？ How do you know it's him? 就感觉。就感觉。It means just a feeling. So the last circumstance. In adverbial clauses of condition, we can use 就 to express do something under a certain condition. Usually means if something happens and then something happens. Like this kind of expression. Now for examples, 你去我就去。你去我就去。It means you go, then I go. You jump, I jump, right? Under a certain condition, if you go. So who is the secret guest for tomorrow? 他来了，你就知道了。他来了，你就知道了。他来了 is a future perfect tense. So he will have come tomorrow, then you will know. As long as he comes tomorrow, and then you will know who he is. So there is very popular structure you should know about this adverbial clauses of condition is 一 something happens, 就 do something. This structure is the same as English as soon as. As soon as something happens, then do something. For examples, 你一说我就明白了。你一说我就明白了。As soon as you said it, I got it. 他一说谎就脸红。他一说谎就脸红。As soon as he tells a lie, his face turns red. According to these two examples, you can find it can be different persons doing different things, or it can be just one subject. 他一说谎就脸红。 That's everything for today. If you still have questions, welcome to leave your comments. Thank you for your support. Thank you for watching my video. See you next time. 再见。